Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm not really one to come up with techniques, but I thought of this idea, and if it works out, you guys can help me name it. So I'm doing lighter colors on this side. This is a light metallic blue. This is a metallic purple. I'll put all the colors down in the description. Just add a little more white. And then on the other side over here, I'm using darker colors, but I'm intentionally not using black. But this is a dark metallic gray that I'm going to use instead. So I'm using this instead of black, just to have a darker color. This is a metallic green that I invented with a bunch of other colors. So, and then this is just a regular blue. Thought these colors would go well together. Put a little more of this. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm gonna get everything out of the way here. Okay, so this is going to be, I don't even know how to describe it. It's gonna take intense coordination. So here we go. So it's not a tree ring. Like I said, I don't really know what to call it. We'll just see how it looks in the end before we even worry about trying to name it. I don't know why this idea came to my head. So far, not so bad. Kind of like it. That'd be cool to like kind of, it overlaps the different colors, you know? There we go. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit here for a bit. We'll see what may develop, and then we'll come back in and we'll do our close-up. All right, we're back. A few cells pop up in here, probably just due to the metallic paints. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Here's the bottom right-hand corner, going up to the upper right-hand corner, so you can see where the colors kind of overlap, especially in the middle here. And this is kind of what I thought would happen a little more throughout those lines. This technique requires an intense amount of coordination that I really don't have. Doing two hands at once. Yeah, so I think it has potential. I don't think I necessarily maybe did the best first experiment on this, but still looks pretty darn cool. And there you go. So I'm curious to know what you guys think about this. I'll probably be trying this a couple more times to see if I can get it a little more coordinated with my, wax on, wax off. Well, that'd be this way. Maybe I'll try the other direction. Maybe that'll work better, actually. Anyways, and if you have any ideas for a name, let me know. My daughter thinks it should be called the, what'd you say, the WOW technique?
The wow.
The wow. The wow technique, she said. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all next time.